In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down menu in the Hostinger website builder. This is a simple way to organize your site navigation so visitors can find related pages without cluttering the top menu. One thing that sometimes trips people up is that the pages have to sit in the right place under the drop-down. Otherwise, it won't work the way you expect. So keep an eye on that as we go. To get started, head over to Hostinger, open your websites area, and choose the site you want to work on. Then click to edit the website so it opens inside the website builder. Make sure you're editing the correct site before you begin, especially if you manage more than one, because the menu changes you make here will apply to the website you currently have open. Once the builder loads, go to the top navigation bar on the page and click on it. This is important because you need to select the navigation element itself before you can make changes to its structure. If you click somewhere else on the page, you may not see the right options. After selecting the navigation bar, click on Layers. This opens the menu structure so you can manage the items that appear in your site navigation. Think of this area as the control panel for your menu layout. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click Add a new dropdown. Hostinger will instantly create a new dropdown item for your navigation. Then click on the item labeled New Dropdown so you can work with it directly. Next, click the three dots on the new dropdown row. This opens a small menu with more actions for that item. From there, click Rename. Now type the name you want your dropdown to display in the navigation. In this example, the dropdown is being named Menu, but you can use whatever label makes sense for your site, like Services, Resources, or Products. Once you've entered the name, click the purple check mark to confirm it. Now you're ready to place pages inside the dropdown. Drag all the pages you want under that new dropdown heading, under Menu or whatever you named it. This is the part that controls what shows up when someone hovers over the dropdown on your live navigation. Here's the key detail I mentioned at the start. The pages need to be indented under the dropdown if you want them to function as submenu items. If you did it correctly, they should appear slightly nested underneath Menu. If they stay lined up at the same level as the other main navigation items, they're not inside the dropdown yet. So just drag them again until the indentation is visible. That indentation is what confirms the structure is correct. Once everything looks right, click Close to exit the Layers panel. At this point, your drop-down menu has been created and organized. To test it, hover over the drop-down in your navigation. You should see the pages you placed underneath it appear as sub-menu options. This is a good time to double-check the naming, order, and whether all intended pages are included. If something looks off, you can always reopen the navigation layers and adjust it. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.